All right, let's take another one, like another no problem with three numbers on it. Let's take your LCM and GCF, all right? So we're gonna start out by writing, you know, 10, 16, and 20. I wanna make a table on it. There you go. And I first start taking out the divisor. It's a prime number. That's going to be 2. Now 10 divided by 2 would be 5. 16 divided by 2 would be an 8. 20 divided by 2 would be 10. Notice that 5, 8, and 10, they have no numbers in common. All right? No numbers in common. No divisor that's common except 1. If that's the case, this is now your GCF. All right? So the GCF is automatically equal to 2. What about the LCM? Now the LCM is different. It requires a lot of process for this kind of problem. I mean, like now instead of taking all the three numbers, we're gonna take 2 at a time. You notice that 8 and 10 has 2 as common, so we're gonna take that out. 5 is not included, so we just copy that down here, okay? Now for 8 and 10, this is common, so 8 divided by 2 would be a 4, 10 divided by 2 would be a 5. Is that okay? Next, 5, 4, and 5. Oh, I can pair 5 and 5 and just leave the 4. Here's, I just want to have, you just want to copy the 4. And you notice that 5 and 5 is common to them, so bring it out. 5 divided by 5 would be a 1. 5 divided by 5 would be a 1. Now, 1 for 1, what's the divisor that's common? It's 1. So we're going to stop it. You're going to stop the process. So that your LCM is simply the product of 2, 2, 5, 1, 4, and 1. So we're going to collect them out all together. And we're going to take the product of all these numbers. See what happens? That's going to be 4 times 5 is 20. Times 4 would be 80. Multiplying the number by 1 does not affect the value. So I repeat, your LCM would be 2 times 2, that's 4, times 5 is, no, yeah, times 5 is 20. Times 1 is 20, times 4 is 80, times 1 is 80. So that would be your LCM. As a summary, your GCF of 10, 16, and 20 would be a 2. And the LCM would be 80. All right?